Hello and welcome to another episode of What's New in the Showroom. I'm Beta.
And I'm Amanda.
And today we're talking luscious lips and Valentine's Day.
Exactly.
We have, it's such an exciting new product.
It is.
So what we have today is our lip exfoliation. Now it's got beautiful ingredients, simple and actually quite tasty too. Tell us about it, Amanda.
I'm going to try it, and as I'm trying it, I'm going to explain the experience because
I'm going to try some too.
Day, yeah, get stuck in there, baby.
Okay, let's get stuck in it.
I don't know how it looks. Oh, you can't really. This is a sugar exfoliant. So lip exfoliation is something that I hadn't even thought of doing.
Oh, wow.
Often get sore lips in the winter.
I like the texture of it.
Yeah, look, I think you can tell now we've been sucking the sugar jar. It's sugar. So this has got sugar in it. And it's the sugar that does the
It's actually quite good, yeah.
Yeah.
And I can actually taste a smidgen of the lemon oil and lemon myrtle that's in it.
Oh, I've got a big bit. But it's actually quite nice if you
It's
don't
quite
put it
nice,
on
yeah.
thick.
Now,
This product, and I'm conscious I look like a bit of an idiot, but anyway.
it's a leave-on product, yeah?
Well, you can leave it on, yes.
Or you can wash it off.
You can wash it off. You can
Or you can lick it off.
Lick it off. Exactly.
Yes, you can lick it off or have it kissed off, seeing that's Valentine's Day.
Why not? Let's kiss. Oh, you shouldn't kiss people at the moment though, because
No, we should. Yeah. We better be careful and say.
Maybe
Always
maybe
be safe, especially
all
this
your
Valentine's
kisses
Day.
for me. Oh. Anyway,
Yes.
So what I was going to say about this is the benefits of this product in
I
terms
love the
of
feel of it.
ingredients are the shea butter, which is very hydrating and moisturising.
So we've got shea butter.
And when I say hydrating, it kind of helps the lips to lock in the moisture. And the castor oil, which gives it that nice sort of sheen and spreadability. So it's a really nice, like, leaves your lips feeling really good. So yes, the sugar, the brown sugar, makes it taste nice and sweet. That will give you a gentle exfoliation. So if you've got bits of dry skin, or you're worried about where lipstick's kind of left in marks around your lips, something like that, you can use that to gently exfoliate. Lick it off when you're done.
And it's got vitamin E as well.
Yeah.
So it's nice and nourishing. And also hydrogenated castor oil.
That's a thickener. So if you actually look at the texture,
that's nice and rich.
It is. So the texture of this is like this. So it's nice and pasty.
I was going to say sugary paste.
Yeah, sugar paste. So it's kind of easy to put on. And then you could leave it on, go to bed with it if you like.
Yeah.
The sugar will exfoliate as you physically rub it. And then the rest of it will dissolve.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Amanda.
No worries. Well, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Smacking. What were we saying? Luscious lips.
Luscious lips made easy by New Directions Lip Exfoliator. Kiss away. I'm Beta. Thank you.